What's going on, guys? Just got my ISR Performance LS swap parts. Gonna unbox them here, show you exactly what I got. Parts list. Directions, engine mounts, how they go. And the cross member. Engine mounts with bushings. U-brackets. Installation kit, bolts, nuts, washers. Transmission mount. And the cross member. I also ordered a few other parts for the LS swap, but they were on back order, so they didn't come with this shipment. Should be here 2 to 3 weeks. As soon as that gets here, unbox it, show you all, everything that comes in those kits. On to the next video.